A pronoun replaces the noun in a sentence. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. So there are several different types of pronouns, including personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun substitutes a specific person or object. So when substituting the subject, we use I, you, they, he, she, it, we. For example, they went to school. When substituting the object, we use me, him, her, you, it, us, them. For example, that is her car. Possessive pronoun. This type of pronoun shows ownership of a noun. This includes my, your, our, his, her, its, theirs. For example, that is my cat. Is that your house? Independent possessive pronouns aren't followed by another noun. So the types of independent possessive pronouns include mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs. For example, the house is theirs. The cat is hers. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns are used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. This includes myself, yourself, ourselves, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, and themselves. For example, I want to buy myself a new car. He poured himself a drink. Reciprocal pronoun. These pronouns are used when two or more people are doing the same thing. This includes each other, one another. For example, the kids kick the ball to one another. Fatima and Anna are talking to each other. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. This includes who, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, what. For example, I don't know which hat to buy. I didn't hear what you said. Demonstrative pronoun. This type of pronoun is used to point to the specific noun being mentioned. They can be singular or plural. For example, this, these, those, that. Those shoes look great. These apples are red. Interrogative pronoun. This type of pronoun takes the place of a noun in a question. This includes who, whom, what, which, whose. For example, what time will you arrive? Who is she talking to? Indefinite pronouns. These type of pronouns are used to show unspecified people or objects. They can be singular or plural. This includes everyone, somebody, all, nobody, anything, few, many, something, anybody. For example, everyone has arrived. Anybody can come to the event.